Hey, this is BrickBoys518, and today I'm going to show you how to build a Lego computer monitor. You're going to need 6 simple bricks. You're going to need a 1x2 chunky, a 1x2 chunky with a hole in the middle like this, a 2x2 smooth, preferably with a computer decal on it, a 2x2 thin, a 2x2 thin circular brick, and then one of these lid looking bricks fits on top. It's the same size of a 2x2 thin. Okay? To start off, you take both of your 2x2 chunky bricks and you put them together like this. Next, you take your 2x2 smooth and you place it on top like that. Okay? Next, you take your 2x2 thin and you place it on the back, just like this. Then you take your 2x2 thin circular piece and you put it on the back like that. Okay, this is the main part of your monitor. Next, you take this circular piece here, and where you see the hole on the bottom, you put it right in there, just like that. And that is your monitor. It is to scale with a Lego minifigure. You just put it on a desk or something and they tap away. I recommend it goes along with the Lego desk that you see in one of our previous tutorials. So that is how you build a Lego monitor. This is BrickBoys518 signing out.